Welcome back to another Woolworths and Big W Mystery Bricks packet opening. Let's get straight to it. Rip. Oh, I wonder what's going to be in this one. I'm hoping it's going to be a person or an animal. Let's find out. Oh, it's a double up. Yes, it's the fruit bowl and it's a double up. So there's no sticker with this one. Coolness. And we've got a fruit bowl. We've got a bunch of bananas and a pear. And of course, a red apple. Now, according to our collection, this is our third one. So yeah, we'll just pop that, whoopsie. We'll just pop that right back there with the other things. And let's keep opening. Let's hope for another one that we've not had before. Not a double up. Please, no double ups. Rip. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. First looks. Oh no. It's another double up. The frying pans. Oh no. Is this video going to be all double ups? I hope not. Hey, why don't you leave me a comment and let me know what double ups you've had a lot of. That'd be really interesting to know. All right, let's get these frying pans happening. We put the eggies in that saucepan there. And then there are two frying pans here, see? And then there is an egg sticker and that goes on there. So we just peel that off. Whoops. Oh, that came off so easy. Wow. And oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh, flipped over. There we go. We've got the eggie in there and we just put it in there in the fry pan and go sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. We make eggs for breakfast. All right. We pop those away with the rest of them. We've got another packet here. Let's hope it's not another double up, although it feels very thin. So I know it's not a person or an animal. So let's rip it open. Oh, first looks. Oh my goodness, it's another double up. Yeah, okay, so I predicted it. This whole video is going to be double ups because we're not opening another one in this video. Oh my goodness, this is groceries. All right, so we've got some blue ones. We'll put that blue top on there. And, how do we make this one? Oh, whoopsie, I did it the wrong way. Dear me. I'll bring you guys in closer, sorry. So, oh no, once you put them on, they're so hard to get off. Goodness. Ah! Of course it fell on the floor. All right, according to the instructions, you put little one there. You have the big one in the middle, and then you put the little one there at the bottom. And then you click it in, oh, like that. Then you put the top on like that. Click, there we go, clicked it. And that is going to be the bowl. And here we've got, you know, they're just like Wheat Bix, really. But they're calling them, what are they calling them? Wheat biscuits. Okay. I think that is the Woolworths generic brand. And if you pop it on there and it's not quite straight, that's all right. That doesn't matter. As long as you tried. If you didn't get it right, that's okay too. You tried. That's the main thing. Now, let's put... Do you guys like Wheat Bix? I mean, Wheat biscuits. Do you ever have them with sliced banana like the picture on the box says or suggests? Let me know in the comments. Okay. So there you go. There are groceries. We'll put those over here. Now, I've got another packet here, but I'm not opening it in this video, but you know I'm going to open in the next one. So what I need you to do is like this video, press subscribe, and tap that notifications bell so you don't miss out on being notified for the next new video. And I'll see you in the next one.